Good morning, students. Let us study the oxidation number of other elements. Also, oxidation number of Cl in bleaching powder CaOCl2. That is, in this case, the structure of CaOCl2 is different. It means Cl exists in two types. First of all, CaOCl and CaCl is written as Ca plus 2, OCl minus and Cl minus. Minus 1, minus 2, plus 2, minus 2 is equal to 0. Hence, this molecule is a neutral molecule. Oxidation number of Cl in OCl minus or O minus 2 Cl, whose oxidation number is to be found out, X, and this is the overall charge. Total number of oxidation numbers, 1 into minus 2 is equal to minus 2, X into 1 is equal to X. Therefore, this X minus 2 is equal to charge of the ion minus 1, X is equal to plus 1. Therefore, the oxidation number of chlorine in OCl minus is plus 1. This is Cl minus. It is very easy. That is, oxidation number of Cl minus is equal to minus 1. It is simply written there. Average oxidation number of Cl in this compound, Ca plus 2, O minus 2, Cl2, X, we have supposed the oxidation number to be found out is written as X. Take the case of calcium, plus 2 into 1 calcium atom, therefore plus 2, minus 2 into 1, oxygen is 1, minus 2, X into 2, 2X. Add them, plus 2, minus 2, plus 2X is equal to 0, or 2X is equal to 2 minus 2, 0, and X is equal to 0. Average oxidation number found from this and this will be equal to how much? Plus 1, minus 1. Plus 1, we are getting the average. Plus 1, minus 1. Plus 1, minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 0. This 0 value, 10. Thanks for watching.